off the edge and fuck your bitch, don't want her back. Had to switch my lane, kick it sneaky just like rats.
Good morning, y'all. So it is day 2 of my birthday week. Today is Tuesday, and I'm mad as because why is my face breaking out? Like, it don't give that. So I'm not eating no junk for the rest of the week, and I'm drinking straight water because this is not it. Like, I don't like that. But anyway, today's video, y'all will be watching me install my locks. I went ahead and braided my hair yesterday after I washed it. I didn't do this on camera because this is so self-explanatory. It's literally just plaits, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the materials I got, and then we gonna get into it.
Okay, so materials. I got me some locks off Amazon. These are 36-inch faux locks in the color burgundy, as I can see. It's 6. I think it's 6 of these packs, and it's like 21 strands in each pack, so I know for a fact I'm not going to use all 6 because my head is not that big. It came with a crochet hook, some rubber bands, and these things that you be putting on your braids. Yeah, so like I said, let me make sure it's 6 packs, so I'll be lying to y'all. Okay, no, it's 4 packs with 21 in there. I don't know where I got 6 from, but it's 4. So I'm probably going to have a pack left over, okay? So yeah. And then I got this deep twist hair from the beauty supply store. I got 3 packs. So yeah. Those are the materials. That's all you're going to need for this style. So we finna get into it.
Okay, so these are the locks. I'm gonna stand up back here so y'all can see. I'm 5'4". This is 36 inches on me, right above my knees. So yeah, that's how I wanted it. Cause I'm trying to be. If you get slapped with my 36 inches, you standing too close. Okay. Okay. This is my first time doing locks on myself. I never did locks on myself before, but I know how to do them because I watched multiple videos. It's not rocket science. It's not hard at all. Y'all should probably watch y'all some tutorials, and it'll save you $200 to $300 because, baby, yeah. Who the frick frack dickle dack was finna pay $200+ for some locks that I'm not even gonna keep in my head that long? Because if you know, I do hair promo, so I can't even keep styles in my head for a long period of time because I always got to do hair promo. So why was I finna pay somebody to put this in my head? Yeah, no, it don't give that. So I got this hair that I showed y'all already. This is the deep twist in the, what brand is this? Bobby Boss. The last time I got locks, this was the brand of my locks. I actually still have the locks because the last time I got locks, the girl told me I needed 6 packs. But as I told y'all at the beginning of this video, my head is little, so I ended up not even needing the 6 packs. So I still have 3 packs of black locks. Matter of fact, I'll show it to y'all because it's right here. I still got these from almost a whole year ago when I got locks. So, yeah. I've seen people separate this, fluff it out, so that's what I'm gonna do. But I think I'm gonna wait to do that part until I get the locks in because I don't want it to be a mess. I just needed to have all the hair ready to rumble, ready to go and ready to rumble. So yeah, these are, hold on, I gotta get the loop there. These are crochet locks, and I need to put my hair up. We're gonna do the first one together, y'all, because like I said, this is my first time, so I'm saying it's easy, but you know, I mean, it looked easy. I ain't actually tried it out. So we gonna put all these other braids up and out the way and just leave the first row hanging. Where the is my scrunchies? I ain't mean to tell me I ain't got no scrunchies out here. That's okay. I got these. Okay, y'all. Sorry, I keep moving around this stuff. See, yeah, I'm messing stuff up. Okay, we got this scrunchie, so we gonna use that. I look crazy. Okay, where did my lock go? Well, it don't matter because all of these just fell off of here, so we just gonna take a new one because I don't know what happened to the one I had. Okay, so we opening up the little loop-de-doop. Got this. The locks came with this crochet hook, okay, y'all. They sell these in the beauty supply store though, if y'all was wondering. So you supposed to I did it wrong already. You supposed to loop the shit first, then put the lock on. So this close, pull through. Your braid and the lock. Pull that baby through, pull it tight. Like that. Okay? And then you get your twist hair. I mean, yo, whatever the fuck hair this is. I need to stop cursing. Oh my God. Whatever hair this is, you get this hair. I'm gonna brush it because I think I've seen people do that to get it more fluffy. Yeah, y'all saw that? You gotta brush this. You gotta brush it to get it all fluffy. Okay? Same thing again. Stick your crochet through. Put the hair on the thing. This gonna be hard because I can't see. So yeah, I'm just feeling my way. Hopefully all the hair got on there. Pull it through. Just gonna pull one side though. Okay, yeah, like that. Like that. And then you just start wrapping. Literally, just start wrapping. Wrap. 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 I hope y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can see. Wrap. 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 Y'all, this gonna be cute. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Like, okay. I be seeing like them be I'm trying to make sure my whole braid is covered. Hold on, y'all. I be seeing them like loop their finger around the thing to give it that distressed look. See, my braid don't want to let me be gray. I'm trying to make sure it's covered all the way. Okay. I don't even gotta do that to give it the loop look. It's getting looped on its own. Y'all see that? Yeah, this gonna be easy. Time consuming, but easy. Now to get it to stay, I seen people do a lot of different things like nail glue. I seen people burn it. I think I'm gonna use spritz. I gotta go find my spritz though, so hold on, y'all. Never mind, y'all. My spritz, the spray part, I'm gonna just use this to give y'all a demonstration. But the last time I used it, like this got stuck like down, and because it's spritz, like it's literally stuck. I ran hot water over it to like see if that would work. It go back down, but it don't spray out no more. So we just gonna use free spray. But I got this kind. It's like 2-in-1. One is gonna make it crunchy, one is not gonna make it crunchy, but they both give it a hold. So I'm gonna use the side that's not gonna make it crunchy because I don't want my dress to be crunchy. So that's this side, the one. So we gonna spray like the end piece and then just wrap it until it can't wrap no more. Okay, that's how we do that. We just gonna do it like that. Okay, so see y'all, I got a lock. I got a lock. Hold on, let me come out here so y'all can see. I'm on my tippy toes, like, yeah, this finna be cute. So that's basically how you do it. I don't need to make a long video to show y'all this. I'm gonna just do a time lapse so y'all could see what it's giving and how you do it. But yeah. Hey guys, so I got the first row done. Yeah. Play with your mother, not me. Okay. Let me see, because I didn't even see the... Oh! Yeah. Period. So now I'm finna keep the ball rolling because it's not finna take me all day to do this. Like my sister was talking about something. Watch, it's gonna take you 2 days. Oh! Yeah, not me.
Hey guys, I came to show y'all my progress. I'm almost done with the back. Hold on, let me take these braids out the way so y'all can see what I have done. I got this done so far. So, yeah, oh wait. Yeah, I see what it's giving. And I finished a pack of the wavy hair. I used one whole pack, and I'm not done with the back. I got 2 more rows in the back. And as far as strands, let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. I think this is 4. Is this 5? It's 4. I got 4 dreads left, so I'm gonna have to open another pack to finish the back. So I'm gonna finish the back and be back. Yeah, so I finished the back. Can y'all see? I'm saying that like y'all could answer me. But I'm putting on comments because my lips was ashy. But the back is a given. It's giving. So y'all, I started to use nail glue because I found some. I didn't think I had any, but I found some, and I like how fast it dries. The free spray, you know, it wasn't doing so good. Like, look, I think, well, one of these back here is the one I used it on, but you can see like those kind of unraveling, and these ones not. So yeah, nail glue it is. Let me stand up. These are not heavy, y'all, at all. Like, they feel really light. We halfway done. We halfway done. We halfway done. We halfway done. Okay, so now I'm just gonna finish and come back when I'm done because y'all already seen how you do it and everything. Y'all get it. So, guys, guess what? We got 1 left. And let me tell y'all what's funny. So, y'all know how I said I'm only using 3 packs? Why I used all 3 packs and I only need 1 more dress. So, I gotta open the 4th pack to get that last dress. I was like, let me just come show y'all one more time how you do it for people that didn't get it the first for people that didn't get it the first time. I just made that so crooked. It don't matter. It don't matter. So yeah, I'm gonna just fill one out. Oh wait, no, I can't just fill one out because I have to take it off this thing that they got it on. This tie thing. I don't even know the proper name for these things. I just know it be on bread. These type things, I don't know what they're called. So yeah, just took 1 dread out and the rest going back inside the pack. Okay, well, not this pack because it's ripped. Going back inside the pack that's not ripped. So yeah, let me just do that.
Okay, so get your hook, put that in there like that. Get your dread, you want to open it up like that. Put it on the hook like that. Wait, close it. Pull it through. Okay, this don't want me to be great. It got stuck to my other dread. Hold on. Hook, close, pull. That's what it should do the first time. but he didn't want me to be great. Then you take the dread and the braid, pull it through like that, tighten it. Then you get your twist hair, and you wanna brush it out. I already brushed it, but I'll brush it again so y'all can see. You just brush it and make it fluffy like that. And then you put your hook back in that motherfucker like so. Y'all hear my nephew just screaming? He's crazy. Hook, close, pull. So now this is how I do mine. Some people even out this hair. I don't. I pull it all the way to the end. Then I'll take all 3 of the pieces like this and I'll wrap it. And I go around the base 2 to 3 times. And I only do 2 to 3 because I didn't want it tight, like pulling my hair. The last time I got these, the girl, she did them tight. But I was fine with it being tight because I kept them for a little minute. And, you know, they lasted longer when they was tight. But I don't really care for them to be tight now because I don't want my hair hurt. And too, like I said, I'm not keeping these long. So, yeah. And then also, when I wrapped it, I didn't really care if, you know, parts of my braid was sticking out a little bit because I'm leaving it like that. Because the last time I got dressed and I tried to take them out, I cut my hair. So, I purposely left some of my real hair showing on most of them because I want it to be easy to take out. And I'm not trying to cut my hair again because I was really sad. And I was like, I'm never getting dreads again. But look at me. Here I am putting some more in my head. So, yeah. That's what you do. And you just wrap it all the way down to the end of the braid. So, y'all see the end of my braid is right there. So, we just going to keep wrapping till we get down there. Wrap, 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 wrap. Okay. And then you're going to take your nail glue and put some on the hair. You don't need a lot. And you just wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. And then the last little piece, put some more glue and wrap it. And then do this. And you got you a motherfucking dread. Period. Pooh. So that's my whole entire head. This process took approximately 6 hours with 1 30-minute break. And the break wasn't even took, like the whole 30 minutes wasn't took at once, if that makes sense. Like I ate for 15 minutes. And then when I got done with this half, I went downstairs and talked to my mom for a little bit and got some water. So I just estimated that I took a 30-minute break altogether, but who knows, might have been shorter. So yes, this took 6 hours. And yeah, because I started at 11, a little bit after 11:30. It's about almost 5:30 now. So, yeah. It's so cute. And I'm ready for my birthday. Yeah, yeah. It's my birthday. Yeah. 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 And obviously these don't hurt because y'all see how I'm just flipping them around? Yeah. My scalp itch though, so I'm going to oil it. And that's it. I ain't gonna do my baby hairs or nothing because I ain't going nowhere. But know that when I wear this, like, my baby hairs will be styled with it. But yes, y'all, that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I will see y'all in my next video.